Mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Panibagong araw, panibagong topic po tayo ngayon. Kailan ang 1,000 taong paghahari ni Kristo? Ito po yung ating papag-usapan ngayong araw sa ating 365 daily devotions. Ang topic po natin ngayon ay premillennialism. So, ano nga ba yung premillennialism? Ang sabi dito, ang premillennialism is the belief that Christ will return before the millennium, a future period of peace, righteousness, and the visible reign of the Christ on earth. Premillennialism is emphasized a future bodily returns of Christ followed by a literal millennium. This view takes seriously the promises of our restored creation and our reigning Messiah. The heart of the doctrine is the glory of Christ as King who will make all things new. So, ang premillennialism daw po ay nagsasabing pabalik si Jesus sa mundo, yung pangalawang pagparito niya sa lupa. And ang sabi dito, bago ang pagtatag ng isang literal na 1,000 taong paghahari or millennium ng Diyos sa lupa ay babasahin muna natin ang Bible verse. So, ngayong araw ang Bible verse natin ay Revelation 20 verse 1 to 6 at ang sabi dito, "And I saw an angel coming down out of heaven, having the key to the abyss and holding in his hand a great chain. He seized the dragon, that ancient serpent who has the devil or Satan, and bound him for 1,000 years. He threw him into the abyss, and locked and sealed it over him, to keep him from deceiving the nations anymore until the 1,000 years were ended." So sabi dito na si Satan ay itatapon sa abyss and ikukulong siya doon for 1,000 years upang mahinto na yung panloloko or pangdadaya sa mga tao. And pagkatapos ng 1,000 years ay after that he must be set free for a short time. I saw thrones on which were seated those who had been given authority to judge, and I saw the souls of those who had been beheaded because of their testimony about Jesus and because of the word of God. They had not worshipped the beast or its image, and had not received its mark on their foreheads or their hands. They came to life and reigned with Christ 1,000 years. For the rest of the dead did not come to life until the 1,000 years were ended. This is the first resurrection. Blessed and holy are those who are sure in the first resurrection. The second death has no power over them, but they will be priests of God and of Christ, and will be reign with Him for 1,000 years. So, ang sinasabi dito na in the future ay babalik si Jesus at maghahari siya sa mundo kasama ng mga matuwid at sumusunod sa Kanya. Kaya mga kapatid ay mahalagang ngayon pa lang ay matutunan na natin ang kahalagaan ng Panginoon sa buhay natin upang balang araw ay makasama natin siya at di tayo masama sa magsasuffer kasama si Satanas. Kaya mahalagang aralin natin ang Biblia para kahit papaano ay may idea tayo sa pwedeng mangyari kung sakaling dumating na ang tamang panahon ng pagpunta ulit dito ni Jesus.
For the glory of God the Father, everything will be just fine. Your joy will return and you will go